Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Chingji gi maming Yamnuska Mountain. Yamnuska Mountain se akogi Canada gi native like tamakpada Red Indian habdo moisha the native mokoi gi thajana bida masi gi chinga se akoi mi digi on gi bana na mokoi gi chip haitare ko adana khulakpa haitare saida na moi gi chip hai madugi chipsina on gi bane haiba thajana ba chingsi yamna popular hoiba chinga mane masi side amadana rock climbing gi side aduga magi ruchel loop ni akogi marakta akogi chain de yalaga chapagi marak matiga mayawri masi ya homlok suba chingni se ai kaduisi last time was 2016 kam kuire lakta ba sigi chingje do ngam puna yeminarsi Yamnuska parking lot local ji side hogdeni ahamba singka khatore sai tree line loire je rock tam ka do som sai che moi rock climbing tawri view jam teo sini pungam phazale karakama uije aside kakatoi minnaga chuebe yaba jaga nate chipmang jong kakhala lake kuta. Hello hikers, never feed the wild animal in Canada in national park because it's not allowed to feed. Hello guys, how are you? Good. How was the rock climbing? Good, that's good. 없는 남비지나 마가 hey oh from the left 1 2 3 koy mun ne yengwa masigi chingje akoy ye mi ama long ne hipaga leiba man oh tao nhau đi xí chừng gì rồi mà tôi nhau với những cái không ngấu dầu đầm này matona trico yom tu matona mamula me matona ulo de ningine matona ma tele kakalaji lay pa sa bang sala sumba makal mayam hawri Yamnuska the chain park this is the hard part of the Yamnuska. So you have to hold the chain. Go through. Instead, miss. They put me very down there. Wow, how you go through there? This is the hard one. Summit is right there. Maton yok there. Mi mga taruk yang kelam ni. ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯣꯟ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯀꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯟ ꯔꯣꯛ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯝꯕꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯇꯥꯗꯣꯔꯦ now descending ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯔꯤꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯇꯣꯟ ꯌꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ moderate to hard I reach in the parking lot safe and sound. Thank you for watching my video and please like, share and comment and see you on the next video. Bye bye.